Hey there, little Earth Explorers. Welcome back to Wiggle Giggle Kids TV, another fun adventure with Earth Encyclopedia. This is episode 3, Plants and Its Magical World. In the last episode, we learned about water cycle, how rain is formed, land and sea breeze, volcano and its parts, what is earthquake and how tsunamis are formed. In this episode, we'll discover what is a plant, parts of a plant, what is photosynthesis, plant cohesion, soil composition, and what is pollination. And remember, this is part of our amazing science series called Earth Encyclopedia, so stay tuned for more episodes coming your way. Segment 1. What is a plant? A plant is a living thing that grows from the ground. It can have flowers, fruits, and leaves. Plants are everywhere. In parks, gardens, even your backyard. Some plants are tall like trees. Others are tiny like grass. But they all need sunlight, water, and soil to grow. Segment 2. Parts of a plant. Let's look at the amazing parts of a plant. Roots. They grow underground and suck up water and minerals from the soil. Stem. It holds the plant up tall and strong and moves water from roots to leaves. Leaves. They catch sunlight and do photosynthesis. Flowers. They look pretty and help make seeds. Fruits. Yummy. They carry seeds so new plants can grow. Segment 3. What is photosynthesis? Now let's talk about something magical plants do. It's called photosynthesis. That's a big word, huh? Let's say it together. Photosynthesis. Plants take in water from the soil, carbon dioxide from the air, and sunlight from the sun. Using sunlight, plants mix water and carbon dioxide to make glucose, a kind of sugar that gives the plant energy to grow. Oxygen, a gas that plants release into the air and we need to breathe. Let's see how it works, step by step. 1. Water comes up from the roots. 2. Sunlight hits the leaf. 3. Carbon dioxide, CO2, enters the leaf through tiny holes called stomata, like little mouths. Now here's the magic part. Chlorophyll takes all this and, using the energy from the sun, rearranges the atoms inside water and carbon dioxide. It builds glucose, plant food, and gives off a waste product. Oxygen. CO2 goes in. O2 comes out. That's how plants help us breathe. Isn't that awesome? Segment 4. What is plant cohesion? Here's a super cool science word, cohesion. It helps water travel up through plants, even against gravity. Cohesion means water molecules stick together. When the plant pulls water from the roots to the leaves, the water forms a chain that travels through tiny tubes in the stem. Like a water elevator. Add in adhesion, and water also sticks to the walls of those tiny tubes, helping it move higher. Fun fact: water can travel all the way to the top of a tree thanks to cohesion and adhesion. That's like water climbing a skyscraper. Segment 5. What is soil? Let's dig into the ground and see what's really in soil. Surprise! It's not just dirt. Soil is made of water. Soil holds moisture for roots to drink. Air, plants and animals underground need oxygen too. Organic matter. Dead plants and animals that turn into nutrients. Minerals. Tiny bits of rock that help plants grow. Healthy soil is like a super smoothie for plants. It's full of yummy nutrients they need. Soil gives plants the food and space they need to grow, and friendly worms like ME help make it healthy. Bonus segment. What is pollination? Before we wrap up, let's buzz into something really special. Yeah, pollination. It's how plants make seeds and grow new baby plants. Pollination happens when pollen from one flower moves to another flower of the same kind. And guess who helps? That's right. Pollinators like bees, butterflies, hummingbirds, even the wind. When pollen gets to the right place, it helps the flower make seeds, which can grow into new plants. Fun fact, almost 1 out of every 3 bites of food we eat comes from a plant that was pollinated. Wow, thanks bees. Wow, we learned so much today. Let's do a quick recap. Today we learned about plant and its various parts like roots, stems, leaves, and flowers. How plants use sunlight to make food and photosynthesis. What is plant cohesion? What is soil and its composition? What is pollination? Thanks for learning with me, friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wiggle Giggle Kids TV for more fun science adventures. Bye-bye now.